Where are you from?
Russia.
Russia. Just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country, beautiful country? Look behind the natural scenery behind. I am outside the home. Really, I am talking to you from outside home. Actually, thank you so much.
My home?
Yeah, I am outside home. You are looking behind.
I'm bad speaking English.
Can you speak English little bit? English speaking? Can you speak English little bit? A little bit
I'm
sentence.
smell speaking.
Okay, just what is your name? May I know your name, please? Short sentence.
My name is
Okay, just this is Zakaria Hussain. Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. Yes. Basically, how old are you? How old are you? Means your age. Your age.
No, your age, your age, я из Сибири. Как еще сказать?
Basically, I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. 30. 30. 30. I am 30. Basically, what is your favorite hobby?
Ну, блин.
What is your favorite hobby? Hobby. Hobby.
Хобби?
Hobby.
Окей, минутус. My hobby is work.
Work. Okay. Actually, I like to work. And basically, I'm a private teacher, English teacher. English teacher. English and mathematics, I teach 2 subjects. English teacher. Are you a student? Do you study? Are you a student? Do you study university or college?
Минуту.